Hello, it's Teresa at Pulaski County Public Library Teen Department. We're going to be looking at a mini chair phone holder, or a mini chair if you just want to make it a chair, made out of clothespins. And you just get clothespins at Walmart, regular clothespins. And you're going to tear those apart so that you have just the pieces like this. And I used 21 clothespins and torn apart for this particular chair. Then you're going to need a glue gun to glue the pieces together. So this is what it looks like, and you can use it for a phone holder that way, or like that for that, or if you want to put the arms on it, you can make the arms on it and put it that way if you want to. So basically what you do, you're going to make one side and then the other side. And it shows you're going to glue pieces together like this for each of the chair legs. And then you're going to put a clothespin apiece on either side. This is so that it's opposite of each other, and that adds some stability. And then you're going to put one clothespin, just like this, on the outer side. It's going to be the back of your chair. After that, then you're going to put two clothespins that are glued together that way, and it's going to be going to have like a little back to it, so it kind of sways back a little bit. You're going to do both sides like that, each side first, and then you're going to put your pieces on like that. Then you're going to have the piece in the middle to put them together. You're going to go like that with one clothespin, one side of it, clothespin. So you're going to put those so you can have them together. And you're going to put one on this end as well. And then you're going to use the ones on the back. As you can see on the back, there's one here and one here, so you're going to put those on there as well. So you're going to glue those on, and one up here. And then this one here are clothespins together, and then you're going to glue them together to make your little wing back of the chair. So that's how that goes together. And you're going to just glue those together just like that. And then you're going to put on the side, you're going to put two more clothespins. Again, you're going to alternate the sides, the big end to the flat end, and that sort of thing, so that you have that on the side. And then for the seat, you're just going to lay the clothespins in the seat and just glue them on there so that they're in the seat. And like I said, if you want a arm, you can just use, one of the, like that, if you want to make an arm for it. But again, if you want it to be your phone holder, it's very simple, easy to do, and that's your little chair phone holder. Thank you.